on Revolution Radio.
Hey, what are you guys doing tonight?
Who do we got with us?
Arizona.
Oh, hey, Arizona. I didn't recognize the voice. It was a little muffled. How are you?
Hey, I'm doing real good. I got some really good stuff for you guys. If you got an ink pen, you might want to write this down, especially if you got a telescope. You're going to love this. I've got your directions where to look in the sky to see Elenin and Nibiru both. You can see them now.
Is that right?
Yeah, I'm going to give you the exact location of this thing if you want to go look at it.
Well, I'm not an astronomer, but I am going to grab a pen and make note, and I'll also post it in the chat because I know there's plenty of us out there that will want those coordinates. Bear with me 1 second, Arizona.
Yeah. The bad news is this thing's a lot bigger than we thought it was.
Okay, I'm ready with pen and in chat. What do you got for us, Arizona?
Okay, looking over in Leo, Elenin is at 11 hours, 21 minutes, 15.36 seconds, plus 03 degrees, 34 feet, 26.6 inches. She's coming in at 26,000 miles an hour. Okay, now you want to do Nibiru?
Yeah.
Okay, here's Nibiru. She's at 09 hours, 47 minutes. .30 seconds. Plus 13 degrees, 16 feet, 44 inches. You put your telescope on those directions and you'll look right at it.
Okay, now, about how much of a window do we have to look at those coordinates and still see it?
Well, like I said, she's moving at 26,000 miles an hour right now. And according to what I just got, this baby's 170,000 kilometers in diameter. That's pretty big. It's bigger than we thought.
Yeah, and I saw some posts and information saying, that Elenin and the coma was bigger than they had expected and everything. And it seemed, now I'm not a space guy, so excuse my ignorance to that, but it seemed like the comet itself still wasn't a factor as far as hitting the Earth, but the debris tail is kind of unknown. That we could get some, meteors or whatever from the debris tail on Elenin. Is that what you're seeing as well?
Well, this debris field, all this means is that the debris field is much larger and much longer than we thought. The asteroids that are right near the small star are going to be a lot bigger than we thought. We originally thought they were around 500 miles in length. They're probably 1,000 miles in length. It means that everything we saw is a lot bigger than what we thought it was. This thing is going to be, it's going to be enormous. When it comes up in the sky, it'll go from horizon to horizon easily. It'll block out the sun. Boy, oh boy, this thing's going to be a disaster for planet Earth. But
can you post those coordinates?
Could I? You know what? If I could do that, I would. But I could put them in. I could put them in the chat room.
Yeah, that'd help. A lot of people, I think, want them, and if you would, that would. I think that would help a lot.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's what I'll do. I'll put them in there. And yeah, this thing is quite a bit bigger. It's close to 4 times the diameter of Jupiter. This is not good. It's quite a bit bigger. We thought it was going to be, maybe 1 or 2 times bigger than Jupiter, but it looks like it's going to be about 3 or 4 times the size of Jupiter. This thing, the closer it gets, the bigger it appears to be. But this looks like, from what I got, the measurements are pretty accurate on its size. Its speed is right at 26,000 miles an hour. I would expect that as it gets closer to the sun and starts around the back, it's going to pick up considerable speed. So when this thing goes by us, it's going to be flying. 26,000 miles an hour, I'm telling you, that's fast.